Hey guys, welcome. This is how to fix Android camera app disappearing problem. So guys, the first reasonable thing that you can do is you can just simply go ahead and hold the power button into your device and just simply restart your device. Sometimes that happen because there might be a startup issues. Now, if it still doesn't work, what you could try to do is just simply go ahead and go through your settings. So now here on the settings, just simply scroll down at the very bottom, software update. So go ahead and tap on that. From here, just simply select download and install over here. And after that, it will check for any updates and just simply wait for it to be loaded up. And when there is any update, guys, you should be able to download it over here. And sometimes the camera disappearing happen because you don't have the latest version of your software and you just needed an update. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.